Hi guys, it's Kylie. Today we will be mixing some glitter fishbowl beads, flown beads, and that's into slime, clear slime. First off, I got this package with all this stuff in it. It comes with containers. It comes with these tools. Yes, I opened it already. And it comes with two packs of foam beads, multicolored in pink, and then this huge thing of glitter, and then 8 containers, and then some orange and pink flakes, yeah, I'll show you those in a sec. This huge thing of all, feel like one of them, oh, that fell. Okay, this huge thing of glitter. Huge, huge, huge. These are all glitters. And then these are the flakes. Flakes. Pink. Flown, pink and multicolored. Oh, it comes with these shells. Yeah. And then blue and multicolored fish bowls. First, we'll need to make our clear slime. Slime. Okay, so we will need the phone. There we go. I'm gonna put that right there. We will need a bowl. Finally, I got bowls. Something to mix with. Some activator, which I have in this cute cup. Some activator, which is water and borax. And then some clear glue. You'll also need actually 2 mixing things. One for the activator. Okay. First off, we're gonna need to pour some glue. As much as you really want. I think that's enough. It's super clear. And activator. I want this to be a little bit sticky for all that stuff to stick in, especially the fish bowls and the this activator is super strong, so just mix it slowly or else it will get a ton of bubbles, and then you can't, then it won't be clear. If you let it sit for a while, yeah, then it will be. You want to mix it until it gets stuck to the sides or past that. Like this is what it looks like. Oh, I just spilled some. This feels like jiggly slime. Ew, sticky. Ew. Don't want to put my fingers in yet. Here, I'm gonna add the activator and I will be back. Okay, I got my slime finally. Okay, first we're gonna break off. First we're gonna add some here, knock it on. Right here. I'm gonna add some of these in. Not all of them, just some of them. Okay, you need to make sure your slime's a little bit sticky. Okay, so I'm gonna just take some of this. I wanna take some of this for fishbowl beads, but I wanna take some of the clear slime for other the other stuff. I can put that back in there. This is such a pretty blue color. fishbowl beads. Okay, I think this might be enough because I don't want them falling out. I don't want them to fall out. Okay, now this is a very, very beautiful slime. I like this a lot. Okay, we can add more activator, but I don't want to. So, okay, now we're gonna take some of this clear slime and add it, and we're gonna put some other stuff in it. We're gonna lay this. I really don't know where to lay this. Here, let's just lay it in a container for now. Well, in a container lid, so it won't go anywhere. I'm just gonna add it into a container. These containers are so hard to open without breaking. Here, we're gonna lay that right there. Oh, that really hurt. Ouch. There we go. Finally. Add some of that. Take a little bit more. Okay, we're gonna just close this up. Little slime. I'm probably not gonna keep this in here. I'm probably gonna put it in a bag instead. Okay, now we're gonna take some more slime. I don't want this to be more activated. No. I think that's like how much I added. Okay, now I'm gonna actually add some I might add some glitter. Ooh, I love these kind. These kind are beautiful. Let me get them. Okay, I got the two I wanted. They're these beautiful, like, colors. My dog just came in. Here, let me close the door. I'm back. So they're these beautiful, like, they look like beads. This one's like a clear, and then this one's like a purpley color. I'm gonna open these. Oh no, 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 oh no. They're like different sizes. Some of them just flew everywhere. I'm gonna add a little bit of these, then a little bit of the other one. Oh, where's the cap? Oh, there it is. There. Okay, we're gonna put this one back in. Okay, we're gonna put that in, and then we're gonna. Oh. Gonna add some of these. No, I added way too many of those. I like these. Try to add some more back. Try to add some back. These are like my number one faves. These are so hard to keep track of because they're tiny, 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 tiny. Okay, we're gonna mix these in. This is such a great slime. I really like this one. It's like my favorite. This is what it looks like. It's like this beautiful one with these like beads in it. When this clears up, it will look amazing. Amazing, amazing, amazing. Here, let me put a lid on this. Ready? Set. So satisfying. Okay, let's put that one. Okay, so now we're gonna add some like of those flakes that I was talking about. Sorry, I'm trying to get this slime off my hand. There we go. Okay, we're gonna add some of these orange, beautiful flakes. Maybe some pink. I think I might just add some orange. Is enough? Yeah, I think so. We need it to be extra sticky for these are the ones that need to be the fishbowl, foam, and beads. Like you need it to be a little bit sticky, just not super sticky. This bag is so hard to open, like really hard. Oh, because of course I did it wrong. But now I got it. Ooh, that's beautiful. Here, let me try to dump these in without messing it up. Okay, I poured this in. I think it looks amazing. Like, if you saw this in person, this slime feels like so good. Like, really good. Put a lid on this. Let's put it right there. This right there. Not know that those were in their way. Now we're gonna add some foam. And I'm pretty sure that's all. Oh yeah, we have. I'm gonna add the multicolored. Add multicolored stuff throughout the whole entire video. Look how cool these are. Okay, we're gonna take some of our slime. Like, really? Ouch. I need some more. I like foam. Foam bead slime is amazing. You can also get this out of like, if you open those like neck pillows, they'll be in that also. But these, the rainbow ones won't. Of course they won't. Only white ones will. So if you need some foam beads, go to Caterpillar. If you need some foam beads, go get a pillow. And again, I did get this on Amazon. This is like the best clear slime I've ever made. Like really super. Here, I'm gonna pack this with foam. Okay, I think that might be enough, or else they're gonna keep falling out. It's already coming. Trying to get it up. Okay, I think this is good. It looks like a candy pop slime. And I don't know what that is. Here, I'm gonna just pour a little bit in here. Seriously, I cannot even close this. That I'm popping everywhere. Pop. Okay. I like this. So we're gonna just put a lid on this. Put it over with these ones. Okay, and I'm gonna make another one, which is gonna be with some seashells. And I'm gonna do another glitter one. This one is gonna be with the seashells. I don't really care for the seashells that much, but they're so pretty. So we have to add them. Or else it'll feel really good. Guys, it's pink. I don't like pink. Not my favorite color. No. I should say pink isn't my favorite color. I don't care. So these are what they look like. I think I'm gonna do the multicolored. I don't really like pink. So yeah, let's just pour some of these in. That was way too many. Maybe. I feel like nails. Oh, I don't like it. Here. Ew, I don't like it. Ow! It also hurts. That's sad. Okay, this is like actually kind of cute. I mean, this is the perfect, like if you make slime on the beach, you make it with seashells in it. You can never forget that. And sand. And little plastic fishies. Okay, I'm gonna put this in the container. These aren't the containers I'm gonna keep these in. So I do have 8. I used 1, 2, 3, 5. So I have 3 more, but none of the, I guess they all do have the lids. Wood. I cannot leave a lid over this, or else it will melt. Wait, why did I say melt? I mean dry up. I don't know why I said that. Okay, last slime is gonna be not the biggest. Oh no, it's gonna be a glitter one. It's gonna be a glitter slime. Actually, good glitter slime. Okay, we're gonna do this one, and then neon orange, this beautiful purple, and then a neon orange. Oh, I thought that stood up. It didn't. Here. Night, hungry. I don't know. Okay. Oh, I just put the cap on upside down. This goes down there. This is like sand. Okay, I'm gonna mix this in off camera. Okay. Actually, no, I'm just gonna. Actually, yes. Okay, this is what it turned out to look like. It's very pretty. Well, subscribe to my channel. Subscribe to my best friend's channel, which is Unicorn Cheer, and then her sister's channel is Unicorn Drizzle. Hit that like button, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!